Hey guys, this is the 92 gallon. Big things ahead. This 92 gallon will be torn down. Oh no! But it's being replaced by 175. So no complaints there. I got this tank from a buddy. He got it for free. I got it for free. So made the stand. Also got that for free. And did a little bit of customization to that with my brother-in-law, who is able to weld and cut just a little bit off of the top and a little bit off the sides and make it fit this tank perfectly. I'm in the process of filling it. What my plan is to do is get half full and then basically transfer 10 gallons at a time or 5 gallons at a time to the 92 until they kind of equalize the water, and then I should be able to basically just transfer everything over once the waters are the same. 92 gallons is doing great. There's lots of coral growth. Ecotech Radeon G2s are doing fantastic. I'm going to be putting all of that stuff on the new tank. My plan is to eventually get a third G2 or G3 or G4, depending on how much money I feel like spending. And that wrasse is going to go. Unfortunately, he is a terror and drives me insane, flipping my corals over every day, twice a day. Really frustrating. So he's going to be gone. Hallelujah. And the one way to get him out is either a fish trap or take the tank down. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to transfer all the corals over. It's going to be a sweet move. Sweet upgrade. Really excited for it. I will update you guys as soon as everything's in. I'm going to use the existing sump. Going to have everything under the tank. Obviously these pumps are just temporary. That light is a fluval LED whatever, just to give some light to the tank to see what I can see. And yeah, obviously some buckets because we're in the process. I hope you guys like it. Keep up. I'm going to do some updates here in the next week or two. I'm going to probably do some more tomorrow, and we'll see how things go. Like, share, follow. I think I'll be posting another video tomorrow to let you guys know how things are going. Thanks again.